Hello everyone, this is DiscoBall67 here for Epic Awesome Films, and I'm going to show you how to set up a Minecraft Bukkit server. I'm not going to show you how to set up the plugins or anything like that, but if you want to do that, you can always find that in the plugins folder on bukkit.org. So to start off, let's go to, to start off, you need a folder on your desktop where you're going to put everything that I'm going to show you to download. So create a separate folder on your desktop. Mine's right here. And then go to bukkit.org in your browser, Word browser. I'm using Firefox. So here's this. This is the main place that you want to go to get all the plugins. This is the Bukkit headquarters. For this purposes, I want to go to dl.bukkit.org. And this is how you can get Minecraft. So this says recommended build. So just click on the recommended build. It'll download it. I'm going to save the file. It's going to go right there. While that's downloading, I want to go back to this main Bukkit page. I want to click Get Craft Bukkit. And it'll take me to this page, and I'm going to use this in just a second. So this is scanning for viruses. So let's go here. It's done downloading. Drag this into here. Okay. So what you should have in here right now is this Java file that you just downloaded. Okay. So by the way, all the links are in the description. So after that, we can close this. After that, we need to go to. I'm using Windows, so I'm going to be using Windows. If you're not using Windows like Linux or Mac, please go down and follow these. But for right now, I'm using Windows. So it says open Notepad and type. So I'm going to copy this thing that's dotted around. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go to my server folder. I'm going to make a new text document. Okay, so I open it up. I paste what's in there, and I save as. Okay, this is very important. So, and this is equally important. You do text documents and do all files right here. If you don't do all files, it won't work. And then save it as run.bat. Okay, run.bat. Exit. So you should have new text document and run. Okay, so you need to delete the new text document. This run is basically a new text document, but it's a folder that's executable. So good, everything is in position. So let's run this. Okay, so it says unable to access that. So if it says that, say rename. So copy this and go to edit. I like to use Notepad++, but of course you can edit it with other versions. No. Cancel. So what you want to do is you want to replace this craftbukkit.jar with what your craft bucket is, and then add .jar at the end. Okay, and then save that. Manually save it so you know exactly what's happening, and then run it again. All right, and then it's going. It's going perfectly. It's making server. It's preparing the spawn area. You have just made yourself a server, but no one can get on it, not even you yet. So once it's done making the spawn area, which it takes a little bit to do that. If it will, okay. Once it says done, okay. Once it says done here, you type in stop. So right there, and then you hit enter, and it'll stop the server by itself. Okay, and if it freezes up like this, don't worry. You can. Oh, there you go. It says press any key to continue, so it's just shut down by itself. See, all these things were generated. We just downloaded this and made this. So all these things were downloaded. Yeah. So you can close that, and then go to, if you want to set up a localized server, you want to do this. But if you want to make a worldwide server, then you can go and make a server with Mumble. You can do that, or there's huge server hosts that you can do. But you want to go to Google, and then Google download. And the first one that you want to get is this download Hamachi thingy right here. So what you want to do is when you download unmanaged version, I've already downloaded it, so you don't want to do that. After you've downloaded it, just run the file, it'll install, and what you should get is something like this. Okay, obviously it won't have these connections on there. It will be different. But, so what you want to do is create, when you first log in, you want to do network. Create a new network. Once you create a new network, it'll have an IP for you. You can name it. You can put the password for it. Yeah, it'll be really awesome. So, and then afterwards, this is your IP address right here. This for me, it's 5.130.134.69. So you want to right-click it, do copy IPv4 address. Minimize that, go back to your Minecraft server folder, open up this file right here that says server, okay? Here's where you can customize everything that you want with your server. You can customize the level name, the animals, if you want to spawn, the PvP, if you want to be online, like that, difficulty, game mode. I'm going to set the game mode for 1 right now, just for purposes like that. And the message of the day, that's like, I'll show you that in just a second. So I'm going to say disco ball 667 test. Okay? And then it says right here, server IP, right there. You want to you want to paste the IP that you got from Hamachi right there. And then you want to say save. You want to exit and run your server. While that's going, I'm going to start up Minecraft. It says done already. So the first time it does it, it boots up pretty fast. And log in there. So my server's up. It's on my desktop. There's no error messages. If there's an error message, well, you're kind of screwed. Let's do multiplayer. DiscoBall667 test. So you want to join that server. Once you've logged in, there you are. Since I said that the game mode I wanted it to be was 1, which is creative mode, I am in creative mode, as you can tell. I am flying. I want to fly. I am flying. Okay, so this is your server. I'm able to chat. People can log on. You can opt yourself. If you want to opt, just go to here and do opt, and then your username. So just go ball667. It'll say here, you are now up, right there on the chat. Once you have that, it'll be all peachy keen. So after that, disconnect, exit, stop. Yeah. So that's how you set up a Minecraft server. All the plugins that you do, you put right into this plugins folder. It's empty right now, but yeah. Your ops are all in here, and yeah. And your server, everything that happened to your server is on here. So thank you all for watching. All the links will be in the description for all the downloads. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you for watching.